So, XYZ's Huddersfield showroom. We've been here a number of years now, and it's time that we did a clearance sale. So October 2024, we're expecting customers to come through the door, pick up a bargain, and also look at the range of equipment we've got. Here at Huddersfield, we have 6,000 square foot of facility to show off the XYZ range of machines. We have everything from the entry-level KMX 2000 right through to the UMC 5X simultaneous 5-axis machine and a lot of the other machines in the range. The ProTurn range, the turning centres, the TMCs, everything's here for customers to come and see. We're hoping for a great day. Let's see how many people we get. So Martin, we've come to the end of a Huddersfield clearance event. We've just closed the door. Looks like it's been a great day from where I was standing. Do we have any numbers of attendees?
It has been busy, Mike, yeah. I mean, we actually had a customer turn up an hour early because he was that keen. But yeah, really good. Numbers throughout the day have been good. Overall spectators, attendance was 73. And that was across 38 companies.
Wow,
so,
that's
yeah,
been a great
really
attendance.
Good. It's been a really nice flow.
And one thing I've noticed, Martin, there's a few of these appeared on machines. So it looks like people have come along to get themselves a great deal on a machine.
Correct, yeah. We've sold quite a few. There are a few still available.
Okay.
Which are still on our website. And they are available right now still, yeah.
Okay, that's fantastic. But this isn't the only clearance event we ever do. We've got another one coming up very soon. Where is it to be at, Martin?
Yeah. So the next one is November the 13th, and that's in Livingston.
Up in our Scottish showroom, yeah, okay. So again, people look on the website for the details, get the address, register attendance.
Everything's on there.
Everything's on there and they can find that detail.
Correct.
So if you want to get up there to Livingston, get yourself an amazing machine at an amazing price, look up the details on the website, get yourself registered, and we look forward to seeing you there.